Hi there. Today I'll show you how to use the net worth tracker, which can be purchased on our website, SpreadsheetsHub.com. This template helps you easily track your assets and liabilities, monitor your financial progress over time, and gain a clear picture of your overall financial health. Before you start, take a quick look at the instructions on the first page. They'll show you how the budgeting model works. You only need to follow two easy steps. The first step shows how to specify data for the main categories in the assets and liabilities tables. The second step shows you how to analyze your net worth data. To enter the data, go to the net worth sheet. Before filling in the data, select the year and the base currency. Next, in the Goal Achievement section, specify the net worth goal. Moving on to the Assets table. This table is divided into three sections: cash and bank accounts, investments, and other assets. Cash and bank accounts includes checking accounts, savings accounts, or any cash on hand. Let's enter some categories as an example. Select a currency. Fill in the data by month. The data in the growth columns is calculated automatically. Moving on to the next section. Investments include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, crypto, or retirement accounts. Let's enter some categories as an example. Select a currency. Enter the data by month. Other assets can include vehicles, electronics, valuable jewelry, shares in a business, or any other valuable possessions. Let's enter some categories as an example. Input the data for every month. In the cash and bank accounts and investment sections, you can list up to 16 categories, while the other assets section allows up to 18. The total data is calculated automatically. The model is in English by default, but if you want to translate the tables into another language, you can use our TranslateHub tool. It's quick, accurate, and super easy to use. You'll find the link in the description below. Let's get back to the template. To make things easier for you, the input cells are highlighted in light blue, and the formula cells that update automatically are marked in light pink. It's best not to change the formula cells, as this could disrupt the calculations. These cells are also locked for protection. If you still decide to modify a formula, just enter your data and click OK when prompted. The formula will be updated. In the Excel version, you can unlock the sheet without a password if needed, but we recommend leaving the formulas untouched to ensure everything functions correctly. Let's move on to the Liabilities table. It consists of three sections: credit cards, debts and loans, and other liabilities. In the credit cards section include balances from credit cards or store cards. Let's enter some categories as an example. Enter the data by month. The data in the growth columns is calculated automatically. Moving on to the next section. In the debts and loans category, include all your borrowings, such as mortgages, car loans, student loans, or personal loans. Enter the data by month. In the Other Liabilities category, include any outstanding obligations, for example, unpaid taxes, bills, or other similar debts. You can also enter amounts in any currency, and they will be automatically converted to the base currency at the current exchange rate. You can specify the amount in another currency in any assets and liabilities block. The total data will be displayed in the main currency according to the current exchange rate. Also, enter data on unpaid taxes. The total data is also calculated automatically. You can include up to 16 categories in the credit cards and debts and loans sections, and up to 18 categories in the other liabilities section. When the data is filled in, we move on to the analysis sections. Summary of assets and liabilities is shown at the top, including a net worth and growth percent, giving you a clear picture of your overall financial health. Use the goal achievement section to keep an eye on how you're progressing toward your goal. The net worth and assets and liabilities charts let you track monthly trends. These charts help you understand your financial progress and make informed decisions. In the table below, you can see detailed information on net worth by month. This data is calculated automatically. One technical point: if you're using the Excel version of this report, we recommend using Excel 2021 or later to ensure all formulas work correctly. Also, please avoid opening the Excel file in Google Sheets. If you prefer working in Google Sheets, we suggest using the dedicated Google Sheets version of the report instead. Try entering your own assets and liabilities to see how easy and motivating tracking your net worth can be with this template. The Net Worth Tracker is available for download via the link in the description below. For customized solutions, our team can design tailored spreadsheets to meet any complexity requirements. We also offer templates with resale rights and an open affiliate program for those who want to get involved. Thanks for watching and have a great day.